Hello, and welcome to our notes on stoichiometry. Stoichiometry is the process of translating between different quantities for different substances. We've actually been doing stoichiometry in class. I just haven't put a name to it, and I haven't made you guys do quite this many ratios without some assistance from me. So now we're going to do them on our own. What we're going to do first is we're going to draw our roadmap. You know me, I like the roadmap. And so we know that grams and particles can both convert to moles. So moles is really our central unit here. So far, we've really just been talking about grams of one substance, substance A, and particles of substance A can convert to moles of substance A. Well, we also know that moles of substance A can convert to moles of substance B. Well, moles of substance B can then be converted to grams of B or particles of B. You guys always ask about memorizing. This is the thing to memorize. If you memorize nothing else, memorize this. This is going to be the key for all the stuff that we are going to do, and this will make things a lot easier. And so let's remind ourselves, to go from grams to moles, we're going to use molar mass, which is the molecular weight in grams. It's the mass of 1 mole. Mass was measured in grams. So no more AMU, we're using grams. Particles, to go between particles and moles, we need Avogadro's number. And keep in mind that we can do this in both directions. I can use this to go from grams to moles, or from moles to grams, from moles to particles, or from particles to moles. I'm going to go ahead and just fill in this side because it's the same thing. It's going to be, to go to particles, Avogadro's number. And up top, the molar mass. So now, we've practiced that. We've been doing a lot of practicing with that for the last week. What we've just been introduced to, and what we're going to do a lot more, is when we convert from one substance to another. And so when we do that, we're going to do the mole ratio. And the mole ratio is the coefficients of the balanced equation. The key thing there is it has to be balanced. So with this, the stuff that I've written underneath, the molecular weight in grams under the molar mass, and then the coefficients of balanced equation under mole ratio, they're really called molar mass and mole ratio. The things underneath the line are just meant to help you kind of reconcile what that means. And so, this is how we go from moles of A to moles of B, or from moles of B to moles of A. Once you have this roadmap, things get a lot easier.